just a quick how-to on how to allow and set up your group so that Vizzlie can post to it. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen quick so you can see. I'm actually doing this to one of my groups right now so I can start tracking it. Screen share. So I will show you how to do that. So basically you go to your group, you go to this more button right here, and this is on your computer. So on your computer, on the regular website for Facebook, not the app on your phone, is how you do this. And then you do edit group settings. And then once you have that up, just scroll down and do add apps. And here's the thing is that what I have noticed is that it takes a long time for this to pull up, and I don't know if it's loading all the app options or what it's doing, but it does take a while. So if you're going to do this to your group, you know, plan on having some other work sit next to you that you can work on for a couple minutes, so that way you're not just sitting there wasting time, because I found that it's sometimes going to take like 1 or 2 minutes even. So once this comes up, what you're going to do is you're going to search for Vizzlie, V-I-Z-Z-L-I-E, which is the website that we're using, and then you add that and give it permission. And then once you do that, you can go back to Vizzlie and turn on posting, and then it will go ahead and post for you. So if this is something that you're struggling with, that's where you find it on Facebook. I'm going to go ahead, since I explained how to do that, you guys will be able to get the rest of the way. I'm not going to wait for this to come up while I'm on the video, because long videos are boring. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the sharing here, and y'all have a great day.